Alright, so today I'm going to be sanding the skateboard deck. It's 23 layers of 1/2 millimeter thick mahogany, eucalyptus, and mindi wood veneers, which I have cut out to shape with the razor knife in the last video. I'll do a little bit more carving first. I've noticed some pretty bad delaminations here, so I'm going to carve that away. I'm going to be able to test this out today. I'm going to put grip tape on it and the trucks and wheels. This is the 5th attempt at building a skateboard. Alright, time to start sanding. I'm going to use the roughest sandpaper I have, the lowest number of grit, and I'm not going to use a fine grit. Alright, let's see what that quick little sanding did. That's good enough already. I don't need to waste too much time sanding. I like sanding. Oh yeah, my mask. Feels pretty good. Don't want to be breathing in all this sawdust. Razor nail. I said I wasn't going to do too much sanding, but I guess it's kind of addictive. Yeah. All right. Time to drill it, grip it, and skate it.